Well, if your hand mixer isn't cutting it or your stand mixer took a beating this past holiday season, Consumer Reports can help.
It recently tested stand mixers from some of the leading brands to find out which ones mixed, kneaded, and whipped the best. Plus, testers tried out some of those attachments for making sausage and pasta. Our Leah Linscheid reports.
When it comes to baking and cooking, we put a lot of emphasis on our ovens. But could your cooking and baking be only as good as your stand mixer? To find out, Consumer Reports testers made batches of chocolate chip cookies, gallons of whipped cream, and kneaded bread dough.
We check for things like how much the mixers labor and vibrate, whether we need to scrape the bowl with a spatula, and how well flours blend at low and moderate speeds.
For whipping, testers time how long it takes to make the cream. To assess how well the kneading attachment works, testers drop small amounts of blue and yellow food coloring into the dough.
Ideally, the mixer will knead the dough into a uniform green color without any streaks left over.
You can see big differences. The dough on the left looks even and well incorporated. The one on the right, not so much. But there's more than just mixing and kneading. Many stand mixers offer add-on attachments for making things like sausage and pasta. So testers checked out a few of those too.
Attachments allow you to make a variety of other foods, but our testers did find that there's a learning curve with some of them, so it might take a few tries before you master it.
While many of the stand mixers handled some of CR's tough tests, only 2 earned a Consumer Reports recommendation. Consider this $250 4.5 quart KitchenAid Classic. It has 10 speeds and it's big enough to make about 6 dozen cookies in a single batch. For News 3 Now, this is Leah Linscheid. Happy baking!
And thank you, Leah. CR's testers also tried out KitchenAid's vegetable spiralizer attachment and found it works well. However, you did end up with some leftover veggie waste that doesn't get spiralized.
And testers noted that the sausage making attachment was fairly easy to use, and the pasta maker add-on took a little bit of practice, so expect some trial and error before your first batch of pasta. Have you ever tried to make homemade pasta?
No.
I just buy it at the store.
I don't have a mixer. I don't bake.
It's hard work. It's really hard work. Yeah, I have one. Oh, I can't live without it.
You're a baker.
I'm a baker, yeah.